It is impossible to imagine how the heron bird could be so aggressive or how it could eat such a large duck. Their movement cannot be understood by looking at their behavior. Although their mouths are small, they can instantly swallow animal 3 to 4 times larger than their beaks. And no one hesitates to swallow their own species. But there is no way to understand their heron bird. Here's how the heron bird swallows a baby. Sometimes it seems that there is no kindness in them. They eat whatever they get.